great. It's full of motivational. Especially we know Flora Page, we are her client, and the event which is organized by Dana, I think this is a great effort, something to keep bringing among the community. I think that's a good effort. I'm sure the people who come here as well, I do want to give applause for them as well. You know, they understand the importance of this, gathering. I think the audience are more into emotionally already attached regarding this post office saga, and that basically they have. I'm sure they have more questions to ask, but because they knew the limitations. But again, they're all brilliant questions, and this is all the questions. Even I want to know as well answers of those questions. When you look around, it's a huge history. And that giving you some goosebumps as well. Okay, man, where I'm sitting might be a historical place. Because I'm a foreigner, I'm an immigrant, so this is my first time. But I can feel it must be a historic place.